Hey Windows user, want to give you Windows 11 start menu that clean, transparent, glass like look in 2025. Whether you are going for a slick setup or just love minimal aesthetic, this quick tutorial will show you how to make your start menu fully transparent step by step. And no extra software required. Let's jump in. First step is enable transparency effect. Go first. Let's turn on the built-in transparency setting. To start the settings and go to the personalize, and to, you can see the color option, and to click the color scroll down and to find the toggle on. Here is my transparency effect toggle is on. So this applies a mild glass blur to your start menu, taskbar and windows. Then the next step is choose a matching background. To really make the transparency pop, use a light or dark wallpaper that contrast well. Go to settings, then go to the personalization, and here you can see the background. To click the background and choose a solid color gradient or a high quality wallpaper, and also avoid overlay bright or cluttered image for the cleanest look. If you want more advanced transparency or complete glass effect, use a safe free tool or use third party tools for full glasses, as like this is the third party tools where you can use the transparency, and also have a explorer patch. The third party tools, download the explorer patch, and to download your third party tools for use transparency. Also here is another third party tools. Now you can see Windows 11 start menu styler and stick window argument to download the transparency style. And also now let's give your transparent start menu some color. To go to settings and choose the personalization, and to go to the color option, and to turn on show accent color on the start and taskbar. Now you can enable this button. Pick your favorite color from the palette or let it match your wallpaper automatically. This adds a soft tint to your transparent menu. And also you want to take it further, try this. Go to the settings and to choose the personalization, and you scroll down the and to choose the start option, and here you can see show recently add apps. To make sure this disable or turn off this show recently add apps, and make the taskbar transparent. Use a centered layout with minimal icons for a modern feel. If you ever want to turn transparency off, go to settings and go to the personalization and choose the color and toggle transparency effect off. Now my transparency effect is enabled. This will revert the start menu and taskbar to solid color mode. And that's it. You have just made your start menu transparent in Windows 11, and your desktop looks way more modern Now let me know in the comment and how you customize your setup. Like the video if this helped, subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe.